If you are waiting for the perfect moment to start a side hustle, when you have more time, more money, more confidence, more of something, I want to offer you a different way of thinking about it. The perfect moment does not arrive, it gets created. And in 2026, the tools available to help you create it are more powerful and more accessible than they have ever been. In this video, I am going to walk you through 4 AI-powered side hustles you can start from zero this week, with no upfront investment and no prior experience in business. For each one, I'm going to cover what it is, exactly how to start, what you can realistically earn, and how long it typically takes to generate your first income. One important note before we start. The income figures I share are realistic ranges based on what people in these models actually earn, not best-case scenarios designed to get you excited. Building a side hustle takes consistent effort over time. What AI does is compress the timeline and lower the barrier. It does not eliminate the work. The first side hustle is AI-assisted content creation. And if you are watching this channel, you are already looking at one example of how it works. A content creation side hustle means building an audience around a specific topic and monetizing that audience through a combination of advertising revenue, digital product sales, and affiliate commissions. The topic does not need to be something you are already an expert in. It needs to be something you are genuinely curious about and willing to research consistently. AI changes the economics of content creation fundamentally. A single person using Claude for research and scripting, 11 Labs for voiceover, CapCut for editing, and Canva for thumbnails can produce content that previously required a team of 3 to 5 people. The content creation work that used to take 20 hours per week can be compressed to 6 to 8 hours using this tool stack, which makes running a content side hustle alongside a full-time job genuinely feasible for the first time. The realistic income timeline for a content channel in a high CPM niche, AI, finance, career development, business, is as follows. In the first 3 months, income comes primarily from digital product sales and affiliate links rather than advertising, and realistically sits between £0 and £300 per month, depending on how actively you distribute your content. Between months 4 and 9, with growing audiences and approaching or passing the monetization threshold, the combined income typically reaches £300 to £800 per month. Beyond month 12, for a channel publishing consistently twice per week, a realistic combined income sits between £500 and £2,000 per month. The starting cost is £0. The tools I mentioned all have free tiers that are sufficient to begin. The second side hustle is selling AI-generated digital products. And this is the model with the shortest time from starting to first income. A digital product is any piece of value you can create once and sell repeatedly without ongoing cost. Templates, PDF guides, prompt libraries, swipe files, checklists, mini-courses, and resource packs all qualify. And AI compresses the creation time for all of them significantly. Here is the exact process for starting this side hustle in 1 week. Day 1. Identify a specific problem that a specific audience has. Not a vague problem, a precise one. Something like marketing managers who need to brief AI tools effectively, or job seekers who need to tailor their CV quickly for multiple applications. Day 2. Use Claude to help you build a product that solves that problem. A prompt library, a template pack, a step-by-step guide. Day 3. Set up a PayHip store, which is free, and upload your product. Price it between £5 and £15. Day 4 onwards. Share it in the communities where your target audience spends time. Reddit, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, Discord servers. The first sale is the most important psychological milestone because it proves the model works. Most people who follow this process consistently sell their first product within 2 to 4 weeks of starting. Ongoing income depends on how well you continue promoting, but a product that solves a real specific problem can generate passive income for months or years from a single week of creation work. The third side hustle is AI-assisted freelancing, offering professional services to clients and using AI to deliver them faster, to a higher standard and with greater capacity than you could without it. This is the fastest path to meaningful income because the first payment can come within days rather than weeks or months. Platforms like Upwork, People Per Hour, and Fiverr have millions of clients actively searching for skilled freelancers right now, across services including writing, content strategy, email marketing, social media management, presentation design, and research. The AI advantage here is significant and specific. A freelance writer who uses Claude can produce a first draft in 20 minutes that would otherwise take 2 hours. A content strategist using AI research tools can deliver a competitive analysis in an afternoon that previously took a week. A social media manager using AI can produce a month of content in a single day. This means you can either take on more clients than a non-AI assisted freelancer, charge higher rates because your output quality is better, or both. The critical starting point is identifying one service you can deliver credibly and building a small portfolio. 3 to 5 examples of your best work before approaching clients. AI can help you build that portfolio quickly, even if you do not yet have paying clients to show. A strong profile, a clear service description, and 3 high-quality portfolio samples are enough to start winning your first projects. The fourth side hustle, and the one with the highest income ceiling of the 4, is AI consulting, helping businesses understand, adopt, and get value from AI tools. Every business in every industry is grappling with the same fundamental challenge right now. They know AI is important. They do not know where to start, which tools to choose, how to get their team using AI effectively, or how to evaluate whether it is actually working. And most of them would pay well for someone to help them figure it out. You do not need to be a data scientist or a programmer to do this. What you need is genuine hands-on familiarity with the AI tools that are most relevant to business use. Claude, ChatGPT, workflow automation tools, and the tools specific to industries you understand, combined with the ability to communicate clearly about what those tools can and cannot do. The typical starting point is your existing professional network. Identify 3 to 5 people you know who run or work in small to medium businesses. Have a genuine conversation with each of them about what their biggest operational headaches are. In almost every case, at least one of those headaches is addressable with AI tools you already know how to use. Offer to run a 1-hour discovery session, free initially, and then propose a specific project to implement a solution. Rates for AI consulting range from £30 to £60 per hour at the entry level, rising to £150 to £250 per hour for more established practitioners. A single client engagement of 10 hours produces between £300 and £600 at entry rates, more income than most content channels generate in their first 6 months. So there are your 4 AI-powered side hustles for 2026. Content creation for long-term compounding income. Digital products for the fastest path to your first sale. Freelancing for immediate, reliable client income. And consulting for the highest income ceiling of all 4. The AI Proof, your career guide in the description, covers all 5 income diversification strategies in detail, with realistic timelines and real-world examples. 14 pages and instant download. Subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and drop a comment below. Which of these 4 side hustles are you going to start first? I read every single one.